Do you know Nigerian party jollof rice goes well with our Nigerian long grain rice? Don't get the trend where you use basmati rice to cook Nigerian party smoky jollof rice. It doesn't go well for me. So in this video, I'll be showing you secret tips in achieving a smoky party jollof rice without hassles. So for a tweak, I'll be using a little amount of dried tatashe. Reason being that it gives me that roasted taste in my pepper mix. You'll also be needing tomato puree, bay leaf, garlic, ginger. So you can see I'm actually showing you the two types of rice, the basmati rice and the Nigerian long grain rice. You can see how nice it's looking. So it's actually the long grain rice I'll be using for my party jollof rice. So first thing first, in achieving that smoky taste, you need a stainless steel pot when cooking indoors. You add in some vegetable oil, you add in some onions, curry powder, thyme, and you allow that to fry for a bit. After that, you add in your tomato puree, you stir that up and you allow that fry for a bit. You fry your tomato puree for like 5 minutes before adding your boiled pepper mix, and you mix everything up together and then you fry very well. The pepper mix is ready when the oil starts to float. As you can see, it's well fried. So then you add in your seasoning cubes, salt to taste, and your stock. So then you add in your washed rice to this, and then you mix everything up together. Then you add in some water. This has to be the only water you're going to add to the rice. The water has to be just at the top of the rice, like where the rice ends. That's where the water has to stop. And then you cover up and cook on a very low heat. Once you see that the water has dried up a little bit, you get your wooden spoon and then you mix everything up together so it cooks evenly. And then you cover up with an aluminium foil paper. This enables it to steam very well and cook evenly. Once that is done, you remove the aluminium foil paper and then you mix everything up together again, and your jollof rice is ready. Please note, when you have plans on cooking like 1 cup of rice, make sure you add extra 1 cup, because you are going to allow your jollof rice to burn very well. Like, it has to burn to achieve that smoky taste, and your stainless steel pot enables it to burn very well. Without it getting burnt, you won't achieve that smoky taste. My jollof rice is not complete without plantain, so I'll be frying some plantain and I'll be adding it to my jollof rice. So you scoop in some into a plate, you add in your protein, you add in some of the plantain, and your jollof rice is ready to eat. So what do you think about this method? Was it helpful? Will you be trying my recipe? Will you be trying my method? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos and cooking hacks.